Hello YouTubers, NewTimeTravelHyman88. Welcome back to my video. And my God, it is so raining outside. Yep, I can hear the showers and thunderstorms everywhere. So, whoa! Did you see that? And my balcony is also wet too. Great Scott! What in the name is Anna Jane Jackson is going on in here? I don't want to get too close to it because I don't want to short out my camera, my camcorder. But I tell you, it is so raining outside. Let me zoom in real quick. You can see the rain puddles. And this is my video response to Tyler TriStar 2 is back when he posted the rain and thunderstorm video. There's Dr. Carter G. Woodson School over there. It is very raining outside. Oh yeah. Even my balcony porch is wet too. And even my boots is getting wet too. It is so cloudy outside. You can see the tree branches getting wet too. Well, so I give you guys a very short video of the rain. I gotta get back inside. Oh yes. I'll give you guys my short vlog video of it's raining outside. And it's June 28th, 2016. So I know, don't worry. Once the temperature knocked down, then the rain will lift it, and then we'll have a sun returns tomorrow with the normal temperature. But Saturday is going to be around 88. Well, let me put the lights here so you guys can see me. There we go. Now you can see me. Well, hope you enjoyed this very short vlog video. But don't forget, make sure you guys to check out my channel. And I'll still take requests. If you have any requests of toys or DVDs that you would like me to review, just feel free to comment below. So that's my short report. Until we meet again, NewTimeTravelHyman88 saying, live long and prosper.